Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense जो है इसके एंड पर अलिफ छोटी है बड़ी है. This is its identification in Urdu. For example, मैंने खाना खाया, वो स्कूल गए. इस तरह से इसके एंड पर ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन देखने को मिलती है. Next thing is helping verb. Did is used in this tense as a helping verb. Form of verb, second form of verb, because this tense is past means गुजरा हुआ जमाना है जो कि बात पहले से हो चुकी है, गुजर चुकी है, अब नहीं हो रही है. सो वी विल यूज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. प्रेजेंट में हम फर्स्ट यूज करते हैं और पास्ट में गुजरे हुए जमाने के लिए सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज यूज्ड. Now there is not any specific rule for this tense. Just second form of verb is used in simple sentences, and when you convert that sentence into negative or interrogative case, you have to use the helping verb did, and when did comes in a sentence, form becomes first. You will see this in example clearly. Now we will write its layout or the arrangement of words in a sentence. First of all, affirmative sentences. As you know that every sentence starts with subject, so here is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Only these three things are there, as we have read in present indefinite tense, that subject, first form and object. Similarly, in this tense, only one change is made there, that instead of first form we are using second form. This is the difference between present indefinite and past indefinite. So you will use subject, second form and object, and our sentence is complete. In the negative sentences, you have to use helping verb. So you will write subject, after that helping verb did, and then after that not. Subject, did and not, because not लगाने के लिए आपको helping verb की हमेशा जरूरत पड़ती है. Not जो है वो कभी भी helping verb के बगैर हम sentence में use नहीं कर सकते. So subject, did and not. Plus first form of verb. यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि form जो है वो second use की गई है. पास्ट इंडेफिनेट में सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज की जाती है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने फॉर्म फर्स्ट कर दी है. क्यों? बिकॉज व्हेन डिड इज देयर इन अ सेंटेंस, द फॉर्म्स बिकम्स फर्स्ट. कभी भी डिड के साथ हमें सेकंड फॉर्म यूज नहीं करनी, ना ही थर्ड. हमेशा डिड के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है. सो बेशक सेंटेंस पास्ट का हो, हमें टेंस का पता डिड से चल जाएगा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब से चल जाएगा कि ये गुजरे हुए जमाने की बात है, पास्ट की बात है, लेकिन हमें यहीं से टेंस शो करना है. यहाँ पे हमें फॉर्म फर्स्ट ही रखनी है. सो सब्जेक्ट, डिड, नॉट, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड एट द एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. लास्ट लेआउट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. Interrogative sentences are are the sentences in which we ask any question, we ask something. So you know that helping verb is always there in the start of the sentence, that are interrogative. So first of all, did, subject, first form of verb plus object, and at the end question mark. This is the sentence arrangement of interrogative sentences. And now we are going to practice this tense in with the help of an example. Here is an example of past indefinite tense. Sara ne khana khaya. As I have told you that past indefinite sentence of past indefinite tense ends with alif छोटी ये बड़ी ये. आइडेंटिफिकेशन जो है इनकी सेंटेंस के एंड पे छोटी ये बड़ी है या अलिफ देखने को मिलता है. सो देयर इज खाना खाया, अलिफ एंड पे है. दिस मींस दैट दिस इज द सेंटेंस ऑफ पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. When we will translate into English, you have to keep in mind the layout that you have read of affirmative sentences. In the layout of affirmative, we have read that subject, second form of verb and object. So here is subject, काम करने वाला सारा. After that ate. Ate is the second form of eat, खाना खाने की. It is a verb, eat, ate, eaten. So we are using second form. Sara ate food. Food is object. And with the help of only three words, our sentence is complete. We don't need any helping verb in the affirmative sentences. If we will convert into negative case, we have to use a helping verb to use not in the sentence. So here is a single helping verb in this tense, and that is did. So with every subject, he, she, it, I, we, you, they, all, with all the subjects, you have to use this helping verb. So you will write Sara did not eat food. Here we have written ate food, but in the negative sentences, the form has become first. Why? Because when there is did in a sentence, the forms become first. So you will never use second or third form with the helping verb did. So we are using did. So form will be first in the sentence. And when we will convert into interrogative case, we know that helping verb is always comes in the start of the sentence. So we will start with helping verb did Sarah eat food. As here is did, so here is also first form eat and question mark. This is our sentence, and now this is the rule for, and this is the method for past indefinite tense. Only second form and did, these two things are to remember in this sentence. Now you have to practice this tense, you have to practice different sentences, different words, so that you may memorize this tense fully.